Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, Philippines. Today is Friday, February 19th. And once again, before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream should not be considered as trading advice, nor should it be considered as an order to enter trades. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like mostly everyone here is. So anyways, here's what I'm looking at. We had a basically down trend. We hit the bottom here, basically a -2 deviation on the VWAP. So now we are going back up. In fact, we're going to go head back up to at least a +1 deviation. That's where it's headed. I really didn't have a really good enough entry here for our basic, what we call our legacy basic 3 trade setup. So this is more advanced again. This is based more again on momentum. It's more of a momentum trade. Again, I don't really teach this to my beginner students since it'll be more complicated, but this is more of an advanced setup, more what I call a momentum trade setup. So here's what we're looking at in terms of the macro view, right? The macro view of the market. Let me see if I can find my chart here. I was working with some other charts before. I think here it is. Yeah, here we are. Just clean this chart up a little bit because it hit the bottom. Okay. Just clean up chart just a minute. So, okay, here we are. So we did hit the extension here, like I said. So what we're going to do is basically take this, and there's their extension up here. Let me see here. That one there. So we're going to extend it down again. We're going to hit the second wave. We'll see if this wave is going to go further down and eliminate this other one. So basically, we're basically having a reversal now, I would say, from here to here. Right? So now I can take this out. It's a reversal because now we took out this bottom line and this white line, right? So I can take that out as well. Let me get it out of here. Oops, not there. Wow, we had several ones here. Let me see here. 1, 2. Just keep that there. So that's what we're looking at now. We are now, it looks like we're heading up. We're hitting the pullback, right? So anywhere here, there's a pullback. The deepest pullback would be here in the blue. So right now, that's where we're headed. And eventually, we'll see that it's going to continue heading down. This is going to be the second wave. Okay. So now we're pulled up here right now. I'm trading now 4 contracts since I've been making pretty good on my last 2 days. So we'll see. I'm increasing my contracts to 4. And basically, what I'm doing here is basically having the same target. See, the more consistent trades you get, then you can steadily increase your contracts, but still having the same target, but you'll make more money with those same targets because you're trading more contracts. So again, my goal here, since I have 4 contracts, is basically how many points? 2, 4, 6. So basically 8 points. That's my goal for the day. So right now, what we're waiting for this, hopefully it continues. So again, it's a momentum trade, and we'll see if the momentum will continue. Again, scalping for 6 ticks, and my second target is 8 ticks. Let me put this all on hold, and we'll see what happens here. Okay. So got our first hit our first target. Let me see if we can get this other one. Let's see if we can get this one final push up here to get my target. If not, I might have to move this down to the 6 tick target here. So there, it hit the 50 again. So let's see if it's going to give me some extra. Let me put this here. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be dying here. So 34.50 there. Again, my stop loss is basically a 1 tick loss, which I'll still be in profit if it does hit my stop loss. But as you can see, we'll see what happens here. I lowered down my take profit to 6 ticks as well, rather than the 8 ticks, because it seems like it's running out of steam here. As you can see on my right here on my MACD, we have that red dot. So basically, that's basically weakening. Let's see if it has one more push to the upside. My RSI right here is not weakening, so which is a good sign. It might have one final push. Again, I've limited my loss My risk now is down to one tick. So basically, though, that target I first hit is basically that's a total of 6 and 6 is 12 ticks, and this is another two contracts here. If I lose this, that's going to be a total of 1 plus 1 is 2. So net would be 10 tick total that I got out of this if I do hit my stop loss. Again, uh, hopefully this we get a here we go. We get another push here just to hit my 6 tick profit target. So we'll see. Come on, just one more push here. One more small push. Doesn't have to be big, just small enough